road, raw, rock, right, rate, read, rhyme, red, rake, run, write, read, run, river, really, room, red, remember, reach, rock. The rocks near the river are wet. The baby reached for her mother. The right bed will help you sleep. Reading makes you a better writer. Remain curious and reach for your dreams. I love to read by the river. I remember the red barn sleek with rain. I really root for beer floats. Ronald, please rake the leaves before it rains. After it rained, the river overflowed its banks. The river runs near the old road has gotten dry for the summer. We wait for the autumn rains to fill the river deep. We even suspect it to really overfill its banks. It is rare autumn that the river does not overflow its banks. Some years it gets so bad the water reaches the road. Fresh, cloud, broom, crown, frame, free, land, grass, raise, rank. Treat, rise, great, free, dry, crib, grow, crazy, trick, fresh. I enjoy fresh bread, fresh baked bread. Please grab the broom and get to work. I like the fresh smell of grass clippings. Am I crazy to think I can win the prize? Bring a treat to the party. The prince grew a beard. We had a great time at the bridal shower. The cows enjoyed grazing in the spring. The chubby baby will break the crib. The crazy teenagers tricked their neighbors. Bringing friends and family together for the holidays is stressful. Cleaning the house from top to bottom is not easy, nor is shopping for groceries or presents through the crowds. I probably grow at least 3 to 6 gray hairs every year just from the stress of the holiday season. Yet, however, crazy it is having friends and family over for the holidays is great and worth the effort. Her word, picture, work, term, first, learn, mother, hard, start, car, farm, art, alarm, chart, dark, hair, wear, hair, chair, scary, area, glare, paradise, horse, war, door, for, or, more, board, storm, here, weir, ears, fear, hero, beer, year, peer. Door, board, fur, war, for, chart, her, beer, pour, deer, beard, far, where, fear, hair, bore, power. Start, car, north, war, work, turkey, standard, dinner, care, ear. Will the car start this time? The North went to war with the South. He works a standard 9 to 5 schedule. Pour the juice in the cups. The sour strawberries were gross. Let's have turkey for dinner. Rinse her ear with care. The deer enjoyed our garden. They are excited to visit for the holidays. My mother will make the pork. I hope the car will start in this cold weather. I have been tardy 4 times in a row in 2 weeks. I really have to be at work on time, especially today. My boss is starting standard evaluations of all employees. I am nervous that my boss will think I am a bad worker and fire me. This Thursday, my neighbor Mark will look at the car. I hope he can repair it so I don't have to keep being tardy to work.